to the craft test, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY video, we're going to create the summery lemon pedestal stand using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post new videos every week. Now let's get on with today's project. So for this project, you're going to need a candlestick holder, a stove cover, and one of the calendars from the Dollar Tree. Now this calendar is from 2021. Obviously you probably won't be able to find it anymore, but I had it and I hadn't used any of these images, so now I had the chance to do it. As far as the candlestick holder and the stove cover, I had used E6000 to glue them together, and then I painted them with a chalk white paint. I had done this a while ago and I never had a chance to finish this project, but now I had some time and therefore I'm going to finish it. So I took this image of the lemons because it's really cute and I liked it, and I'm just going to cut around it. Nothing perfect. I'm just going to cut it around in a circle, and I'm going to fit it on top of the stove cover, and that's going to be the image that we're going to Mod Podge to the stove cover. So let me continue cutting this. So now that I trimmed it to size, I'm going to use Mod Podge to adhere it to the stove cover. I'm going to put a generous amount. Now this calendar image is pretty thin, so you're going to have to work with it to remove the wrinkles because it's going to leave a lot of wrinkles. So what I do before the Mod Podge dries, and I didn't videotape it because it is very tedious and boring. I keep using my fingers with extra bits of Mod Podge to try and remove as many of the wrinkles as possible. This way, when the Mod Podge dries, the majority of the wrinkles will be gone. But the image is so thin, it's like, it's not a napkin, but it's pretty thin, that you're going to see quite a bit of wrinkles if you don't work them out before the Mod Podge dries. So let's continue. So now what I'm going to do, the Mod Podge is still wet, it's not dry. I'm going to use this yellow acrylic paint that I have. I don't know where I got it, but I'm going to use it. And with a small brush, I'm going to paint designs on the edge of the stove cover and on the candlestick holder itself. I'm not going to measure anything. I'm just going to eyeball it and just do a little pattern on the edge and on the candlestick. So let's continue with that. after I'm done here, this project will be done. But I am going to continue to remove the wrinkles. I'm going to probably add more Mod Podge to the top, and with my fingers, carefully not to rip the image, I'm going to remove as many of the wrinkles as I can before the Mod Podge completely dries. And you'll notice that once it completely dries, the majority of the wrinkles will be gone. Now this piece is ready to use and ready to display. So this turned out to be really cute. As you can see, the majority of the wrinkles are gone. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.